So basically, you have two choices. Either you go with AI or you get left behind. With the vast improvement of AI, there is now RE software for every task. But what matters most is how we can implement AI in our work and improve our video. Many people are making a lot of money on YouTube using the exact AI tools that I'm going to talk about. We can easily do script writing, find footage, and do voiceovers and editing with the help of AI. So today, I will tell you about some of the AI tools that will help us improve and make money on YouTube. The first thing you need to make a good video is a killer script. Some of us are dead when it comes to writing the scripts, so we can use AI to improve our writing. ChatGPT and Rytr are some of the best AI script writing tools in the internet. But if you want to make a good script, don't just copy and paste the script. Try to get the important points and write your own killer script. I personally use Google Docs to write my scripts. After writing a killer script, all you need is a voiceover. Either you can record your voice from basically your phone, or you can ask help from AI. The best AI text-to-speech software is 11lab. You can make up to 10-minute voiceover for a month using the free plan. But if you're using 11labs for a long time, I recommend you purchasing a paid plan. But if you don't like to purchase a paid plan, you can use Microsoft Edge. Yeah, it's free and has this amazing text-to-speech software. Just go to settings and then go to voiceover, and you can select voice you like. It sounds like this.
Hi, I am Microsoft free text-to-speech software.
So, once we got the voiceover, the next thing we need is footage. You can use Storyblocks for footage. If you purchase unlimited all access, you can have access to all the video footage on Storyblocks. Anyway, if you want to download free footage, you can use sites like Pexels and Pixabay. So now the important parts of the video are ready. All you need to do is edit the video. For editing, I recommend using Canva if you are a beginner. After some time, you can switch to CapCut. It's totally free and has amazing AI caption software and transitions. Another good video editing software is Veed. It is similar to CapCut but has a watermark in the free version, so try to use CapCut. Now we have the killer video with us. But if we don't use good titles and good thumbnails, it's over. So for thumbnails, I recommend using Canva and Midjourney. Use ChatGPT for writing titles and description for your video. Then you can use vidIQ or TubeBuddy for SEO. And there you have it, a killer video. But remember, you have to keep uploading and make good videos to make money on YouTube.